Hey there, this is Sean Donahoe, and I wanted to do and record a quick video and show you what SELLOSITY can do, because we've had a lot of questions about our new smart commerce platform, asking what it can do and how it works. Well, it's a self-hosted e-commerce platform built on a proven and stable engine that already powers over 1 million stores. That's 3 times our nearest competitor, and that's 37% of all online stores. And the cool thing is, you don't have to pay high costs every single month just to get the basic features and then be charged hundreds and hundreds of dollars a month for apps just for the basic features you need to create a successful store. It's all built in. Now, this is very, very important because a lot of people are ending up paying hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month for these basic features to be limited by the payment processes they can use, or end up on platform-specific payment processes, no flexibility. They're left without any extra features. They have to go buy all sorts of apps costing hundreds of dollars a month before they've even made a sale. We thought this was unacceptable, and that's why we developed this system, and we have taken this to the next level. We have given you so much potential here. And right now you can just see this is the dashboard, which gives you an at-a-glance look at how your business is doing. And this is a demo site that we're building as part of the training, so I'm giving you a kind of a sneak peek as well. And this is the store that we've built, and it only took a couple of hours to build a very powerful store, import a ton of products. In fact, one of the things we can do, we migrated an existing store on one of the popular SaaS platforms right over here because we have the ability to do that. We also have importers for migrating products from Amazon, if you have an Amazon store, eBay, if you have an eBay store. Not only that, you can also go and find powerful products for drop shipping, and we have a built-in drop shipping engine, but we have a system where you can import from AliExpress as well. On top of that, we integrate fully automatically with many of the high-end print-on-demand services. So if you print on demand, you've got that too. Literally, we've tried to cram as much in here for the modern e-commerce entrepreneur as possible, and we're continuously expanding and optimizing this so that you can get the most horsepower out of this. But as you can see, this is a traditional multi-commerce store with multiple products and everything else. And you can see this allows you to edit products in real time without having to go through all the complexities. You can come over here and modify any product, so we have that as an option as well. That's all built in. And the cool thing is you can find ways to optimize your conversions. We have everything mobile responsive. We give you so much control over your store, it would blow you away. For example, this is just a simple variable product. You can see it's highly optimized, big buttons to drive people to convert, simple to use. They can choose, for example, what color they like, and they can see, okay, that's cool, that's good, I want that, click a button, you're done. We have the optimization of descriptions, upsells, cross-sells, related products. Everything is all done for you, pre-configured. And the cool thing is, our software, you just fill in a few form fields, press a button, it deploys a pre-configured, pre-optimized store to your site. All you've got to do is change your branding and add products. It's as simple as that, and there's so much control, it will truly blow you away. For example, if we were doing this as part of a normal commerce, that's fine. You can see we've got our optimized checkout and view cart up here, but maybe you want to promote on Facebook. Well, let's turn off all of the distractions. So you can see the header and navigation all go away. They're compressed and minified over here. So all of the focus is on your product itself. You can see we've got an evergreen timer here right now on this particular product. You can also have a scarcity bar, which says, 83 out of 100 sold, go get it. You can have all sorts of configuration options, but truly the sky is the limit. You can customize your call to action, claim your discount right now. So you can see all the different options here for this product. You can see and blow up any of the images and see what you're doing. It's as simple as that. Now, the other cool thing is this is traditional multi-product commerce, but we do something even cooler. We also, for the first time, you can't do this with many other platforms, you can actually do funnel, or what we call focused funnel commerce as well. let me show you. So I'm going to go over to a new incognito window, and you can see we have this Camping Tribe, claim your free outdoor survival magnesium fire starter kit. And you can see that this is all built in drag and drop form. We have a drag and drop engine, so you can build highly optimized sales pages. We supply a ton of templates that you can just use instantly and customize to suit your own needs. But you can see, hey, this is usually $15. Today it's free. You can see we've got an evergreen timer on here, security seals to boost confidence, and different example images. You can do any style of page you like, and like I said, we've got plenty of templates for you to choose from. This is a very simple one, but we're going to claim our free fire starter right now. So this takes us over to a highly optimized and focused conversion funnel and order page. So again, it says, hey, get your amazing product. All we ask is you help us with the shipping and handling. It's got one of the scarcity bars that I mentioned, saying, hey, 2,193 have already been claimed. Hurry, only a few left. Evergreen timer, and again, this is a demo I was putting together, so we've got placeholder content in here, so if you've got any reviews, put them in here. Helps boost social proof and confidence. And we'll just check out, and I'm just going to fill this in with some, this is in test mode right now, so I'm just going to do fredfish@gmail.com, 123456789, and we'll do 123 some street. We'll put it in somewhere in Texas, 5 as a zip code. And then here's the cool thing, you notice this is now added a tax because I'm in Texas, and so we can handle your taxes, and you can also do your shipping, and you can create all sorts of smart shipping rules. In this case, you can see free plus shipping and handling, $3.95. Now that product that we had on the front end only cost me $1 plus $1 shipping, which means I'm making almost 100% profit on this free plus shipping offer. That also helps offset any paid traffic, and by checking out, I get a confirmed lead that is willing to spend money. I get their real email, their phone number, their address. We create an account, and that allows us to do all sorts of follow-up marketing. We can drop retargeting pixels. We integrate with Facebook, Google AdWords for tracking and retargeting. We fully integrate with Facebook for store commerce. Literally, we thought of everything here. And there's so much, I'm only able to skim the surface in this one demo. So we're going to check out with the demo card from Stripe. We're using Stripe here, okay? And I'll just put in any date here because we're in test mode. But you notice we have Stripe Commerce here, but we also have the ability to stack PayPal. So we're not limited to any particular platform restrained process. We're not overly charged for our transaction fees and anyone else getting a slice of the pie here. We can use any payment processor we like. And the ones we recommend, Stripe, PayPal, Braintree, and many others, all built in. It's all easy to use. So we can just hit complete order, and this is going to go and check out. And we're instantly taken to an upsell. Now notice this, wait Fred, it's personalized. We found that by doing this kind of level of personalization, this is again a feature of smart commerce, many platforms cannot do this. Again, we are personalizing the entire experience. We're able to do these focused upsells all in one platform. You don't have to have one e-commerce platform and then another crazy funnel builder. It's all built in. So we're showing this great product that is a complementary product. We have all the scarcity features and say, yes, give me the 40% off. We can go through again. I've just got some filler text here right now because we're in the process of building this and finalizing this. But you can see again, okay, yes, I'll take that. Upsell. And what happens now is we don't go through the checkout process again or anything else because we're using Stripe, and that's our supported platform for one-click upsells. Boom, instantly receives the money. You don't have to go off to some third-party app that hijacks your checkout process. It's all done and dusted. And now we've got a nice thank you page saying, hey, your order is confirmed. It's on its way to our processing center. But check out these fantastic items on sale right now. And you can see all these wonderful products. And the cool thing is, we're now taking them from a focused funnel, maybe from Facebook, maybe a Pinterest campaign or a Google AdWords campaign. They've gone through this focused funnel, and now they're exposed to all the other stuff that we do as well. So it's a great lead generation for paid traffic, making a metric ton of profits. You can stack and create as many upsells and downsells as you like. It's very easy to do, and again, you can use this to really boost your entire e-commerce audience all from one powerful platform, and that is SELLOSITY. So again, we've barely scratched the surface in this demo. We have so many other cool things in here. Like I mentioned, we have a drop shipping engine that allows you to integrate with any drop shipper. So if you get an order and you've assigned a drop shipper, they get an instant email. They can process the drop shipping fulfillment on your behalf and then send it to the customer. We have smart mail, which is behavioral based email campaigns. So for example, if someone buys a particular product and you want to put an entire funnel around that, hey, no problem. Maybe that focused funnel we just showed, if they buy a fire starter but they didn't buy another product, we can create an entire follow-up campaign based on that. Abandoned cart recovery. So much is packed into this. We do one-page checkouts where you can actually go to a product, and we could set it up on, for example, this focused one here and say, okay, they claim their discount, and then the checkout appears right here. They don't get redirected, they don't do all sorts of other hassles that minimize conversions. We literally put everything in here to maximize your conversions across the board. We optimize everything for SEO so that you can take advantage of SEO opportunities, maximize your rankings in the search engines. There's so much in here, and like I say, we are barely scratching the surface here at the moment. In fact, you can see, for example, let me just show you the dashboard. We have predictive analytics. Now, this is all me testing this for part of our training right now, but you can see that we've just increased with that sale that we did. It predicts how much sales you're going to make this month based on what's already happening. You can delineate what's going on. You can see how many items you've got, orders. You can see trends and all sorts of great data. So you can see at a glance what your entire business is doing, and it's all built on top of the SELLOSITY platform. It's literally, you're not paying hundreds of dollars a month. It's one fixed fee, and we're continuously expanding this to add new features, functions all the time. So that is a sneak peek behind the scenes of SELLOSITY. It is the most powerful e-commerce platform and smart commerce platform ever created, and that is launching. Donahoe here, author, marketing consultant, and 22-year business veteran. And I'm super excited to welcome you to our launch page. Now, over the years, we've paid out over $8.8 million in commissions to our joint venture partners, and we're currently gearing up to launch what can only be described as a true e-commerce game changer. We're about to launch a brand new software platform that will redefine the e-commerce marketplace for anyone selling physical products online and make it easier than absolutely ever for anyone in the world to grab their slice of a $2 trillion industry. Now, I'll tell you more about this amazing new software in just a second, but before we go any further, let me explain why you are going to start making a lot of money if you decide to join us and become a partner in our success here. For starters, the last product we launched in the e-commerce space generated $1.2 million in revenue, and this time we're on track to absolutely shatter that record with a $1.5 million launch. Now, what a lot of people don't actually know about me is that my background actually is e-commerce. In fact, not too long ago, I owned one of the largest art stores online, stocking over 3 million line items and generating over 7 figures in revenue year after year. The best part is I never personally touched, shipped, or saw a single product. The entire business was 100% automated, with every product drop shipped from a vast network of art vendors that we were in partnership with all over the world. And our development company has also built huge Amazon type stores, auto parts stores, off-road stores, camping and survival stores. The list goes on. And we did it all from the ground up, managed, distributed, and sold millions of dollars worth of inventory. I've also personally consulted with multi-billion-dollar e-commerce giants such as Walmart, Kroger, and Costco, to name just a few. Now, I am not saying any of this to blow my own trumpet. I'm merely trying to get across the fact that when it comes to e-commerce, I know my stuff, and I've been involved with this industry since the very beginning. Now, even more to the point, I also know, as you may do too, that a lot of what is being taught in e-commerce right now is just plain wrong. But hey, that's enough about me. Let's talk about you. As a smart marketer with your finger on the pulse, you don't need me to tell you that e-commerce is absolutely blowing up right now. And by the end of this year, e-commerce sales will globally be about $2.1 trillion a year. That's up 22.7% from 2015. And by the end of 2020, the industry will be worth $4.1 trillion. In fact, a study posted by the retail giant eMarketer reveals that e-commerce sales are accelerating at a rate much faster than anticipated, with sales growth outpacing brick-and-mortar sales by a factor of 3 to 1. So this train is really not stopping anytime soon. And with a wide range of platforms on the market now seemingly making it much easier for people to get started in the world of e-commerce, it's no surprise that people from all walks of life, and not necessarily people who have expressed an interest in online marketing before, are jumping on the e-commerce bandwagon. The only problem, as they soon find out, is that building a successful and profitable e-commerce business is much easier said than done. Now, don't get me wrong, there are some great store builders and SaaS platforms out there on the market already, but where they all fall down is that they lack a lot of basic out-of-the-box functionality for your customers that they need to get their business up and running. Let's take one of our nearest rivals, for example. I won't name names, but let's just say they make it very appealing for people to get started with e-commerce. They offer a 14-day free trial, but after that trial period ends, it costs a whopping $297 a month. There are cheaper packages available, but most people end up going for the $297 option to reduce merchant processing fees, which are so high, they would more or less wipe out their entire profit otherwise. But what our competitors don't tell their customers is that they're going to have to pay hundreds of dollars a month